Hello, we are the King of English Institute in Dominican Republic. The 2022 is for you. In Best Way English Institute. Hi Dominican children. Dominican adults. In Best Way English Institute we have one English program for you. Join us today, please don't miss this opportunity. Remember this name, Best Way English Institute. That is correct way to learn English successfully. For you we have English programs for every of you. We have children English programs, adults English programs, private English programs, individuals or group. You can follow us on social media like Google, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Pinterest and many pages more. Villanueva teacher is waiting for you.
Best Way English Institute, capacitando la juventud. 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 Best Way